this video is for the lovers of Grok. If you're the type of person that loves creating content on Grok, this is the perfect video for you. All right, so on this video, guys, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can be able to start creating long form AI generated videos on Grok almost for free. All right, so if you're the type of person that is looking for this type of video, this is the video that will teach you how you can be able to create it almost for free. All right, so if you want to be subscribing to the Grok app, you are going to be needing around 45,000 to 50,000, I guess, for you to be able to subscribe. But after watching this video, you're going to learn how you can be able to get that subscription almost for free. All right, so without wasting time, I'm going to be jumping in right now with this phone. I'm going to be using this phone as a recorder to show you guys all I'm pressing and whatever I'm pressing. Okay, so without wasting time, I'm going to be jumping in right now. So if you are coming across my channel for the first time and you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly consider subscribing. It is totally free. Click on the subscription button down below to subscribe, and do not forget to turn on the post notification bell so that whenever I post any new video, you'll get to know about it immediately. So without wasting time, let me show you guys what you need to do. The first thing you need to do right now is to head over to your Play Store. Now, once you open your Play Store, go ahead to the search bar and search for X. Okay, now search for X. You all know that X rebranded to from Twitter to X. Okay, so Twitter is also called X. Okay, now make sure your own is up to date. Now this is what you need to do. Go ahead and open it up. Okay, now once you have opened it up, go ahead and locate your admin button up here. You can see the admin button right here. Click on it. Now, once you click on that your admin button, then you can see we have profile, we have premium, we have community, blah, blah, blah. Go ahead and click on premium. Now, once you click on premium, then this is where they are going to be prompting you to make the payment. Now, listen, this is the catch. This is the catch, okay? Now, if you have never subscribed to the X Premium before, if you have never subscribed to X before, you are only going to be paying 3,800 to subscribe to X, that is Twitter. Now, paying this 3,800 only is going to cover you for 2 months. That is, for 2 months, you are only going to be paying 3,800 to subscribe to the Twitter Premium or X Premium. Now, here is the catch. After subscribing, you are going to be getting this blue check mark on your profile. You can see this blue check mark right here. You are going to be getting it. And after using 3,800 Naira to subscribe to the Twitter Premium, that is to get the blue check mark, this is what you need to do next. Now, after subscribing immediately, you need to either maybe remove just or do it like this and remove it from the phone, stop it from running. Now, immediately after subscribing, do this, then you go back to it. Okay, now this is it. You go back to it. Now, once you come back, you are going to be seeing this check mark right here, just like you are seeing my own. Okay, now this is the next you need to do. Now, go ahead and click on Open Grok. Now, once you click on Open Grok, you are going to be taken to the Grok app. Okay, you are going to be taken to the Grok app. So from the Twitter, from X, which is from X, you have gotten access to Grok, and this access that you have gotten, you can then create videos very, very free, completely free. Okay, now without even having to subscribe to Grok, through X, which you used only 3,800 to subscribe, we have gotten access to Grok. And right now, I'm going to be creating video on Grok right now, and I didn't subscribe to it. Rather, I only used 3,800 to subscribe to X, which is going to cover me for over 2 months. Now, I will go ahead right now. So you can see we have over here, we have Ask and we have Imagine. Go ahead and click on Imagine. Okay, now clicking on Imagine, you can see you can decide to use the pictures on your phone if you want to. But to show you guys a very good tutorial on this about how to use Grok for free, almost free, just go ahead and type in what you want. Okay, now you can see we have this right here. We have this image button, we have this video button, select video. Okay, now you can still choose to select pictures from your gallery, but I don't want to do that. Now this is it. I will click on this button right here, then I will leave the duration. I will put the duration to 10 seconds. Okay, now I will put the resolution to 800p is okay. Let me just put it to 720p. Okay, now video with audio, I will leave it like this. Aspect ratio, I will put it to okay, I will put it to something like this, 16. Okay, 9 by 16. Now the setting is okay. Now I will go ahead and then type in what I want. Now doing this, don't think you are going to have unlimited access to Grok. No, it doesn't work like that, but rather you are going to be able to create a good number of videos before your limitation for the day will be over. Then you continue the next day. Okay, now this is it. I will type in something like, okay, create a video of a man running very fast in the desert. Okay, then I will go ahead and send it. Now they are going to start generating my video, just as you can see right here. They are generating my video. Now this video is going to be very quality, and it's going to be 10 seconds with the resolution of 720, and of course the aspect ratio is 9:16. So our video is still generating. Just give it a little time, and once the video is done generating, I will show you. And I think this is the best way that you can access Grok almost for free. Okay, now let's wait for the video to be generated. I will pause the video and I will continue it when the video has generated completely. And now the video is done generating. Now I will play it for you guys right now. You can see I will play it right now. Okay, and you can click on this button. Let me pause it. You can click on this button to download it to your phone. Okay, now once you click on this button, the download will start immediately and it will be added to your gallery. So this is the easiest and of course the cheapest way that you can get to access Grok without having to pay without having to pay the huge amount of money and all that. All right, so simply subscribe to Twitter with just 3,800 and you are going to be able to use Grok for completely 2 months without having to subscribe it. All right, so I'm going to be stopping here right now. If you find the video interesting, let me have your thoughts on the comment section, and of course do not forget to like and share this video so that people out there will get to learn about this. All right, so do not forget to subscribe. I'll be stopping right here. I'll be speaking to you guys on the next video that I'm going to be sharing very soon. Peace out.